Good morning, remote learners. This is Dr. Shivers. I'm here for your morning announcements. Today is Thursday, August the 27th. Our special today will be art. We loved seeing your first day of school yesterday. You did amazing. I was so proud of being able to see you as scholars, you as great teammates working together. This was our hashtag that we had. We were excited to see so many of you share some photos. Here's a few of them that I wanted to share. We had learners in kindergarten, across the board in second grade, and upper grades. We were so excited to work with you. We love being your teachers and being on your team as remote learners. So thank you for making that such a successful day wherever you were at across the classrooms on our Zoom sessions. We want to share one quick note about our weekly log sheets. This is more probably for your families, but we're going to need your help in being responsible to track about 6.5 hours or 390 minutes of learning. Some of this will take place on Zoom sessions, and some will take place more in different ways. We'll share more about this during our family orientations. If you could let your families know that at 6 p.m. on the following nights, we want to invite you to your teacher's Zoom link to learn more about what the log and other parts of our journey will be like. So if you're in kindergarten or first grade, we'll do your orientation with your family on Tuesday, September 1st. If you're in second or third grade, we'll do yours on Wednesday, September 2nd. And if you're in grades 4 through 6, yours will be on Thursday, September 3rd. Again, those will all be at 6 p.m. at your teacher's Zoom link. We want to invite you all to come on Friday, August the 28th, to a textbook pickup. We'll be distributing some books that you will need to learn at 5 locations across the district. Your teacher will share more about this with you. We know that we'll want you to stay in the car and we'll just hand you things, but your teachers will be there. So if you wanted to meet them, this would be a great chance to do that. Here's just a few of the things that will be in those bags for you to pick up. These are books we're checking out to you, and we'll need them back when you're finished with them. So we just wanted to let you know. Scholars, we are so excited to start day 2 with you. Thank you for being present, for being focused. We want you to smile and shine on.